Baunin natin ang naranasang kapayapaan sa pagbabalik natin sa ating pang-araw-araw na gawain. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at magkapet pandasal. Have you ever had a wonderful day that you wished would never end? Maybe it was a great day with friends or a very peaceful moment on a trip. Peter wants to build tents to stay on the mountain forever because he feels so happy and safe there. We often feel this way too. We want to freeze our best memories because we are afraid of going back to our normal, stressful lives. It is really hard to leave a high moment and face a difficult Monday morning. But Jesus shows us that the peace we find on the mountain is meant to give us strength for the work we do in the valley. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, tulungan mo kaming dalhin ang liwanag ng aming pinakamasayang araw sa gitna ng aming madidilim na parte ng aming buhay. Amen.